In business, especially in the fast-moving tech world, the metaphor of sizzle versus substance perfectly captures a critical strategic divide. The sizzle is the allure, the captivating marketing, the shining object that attracts. It's what gets people excited, attracts unsuspecting people hungry for success. The substance is the stake beneath, the robust technology, the scalable infrastructure, the efficient operations, the durable business model, and the deep customer trust it engenders. It's what delivers real, repeatable value. The allure of the sizzle. Most people are initially drawn to the sizzle company because sizzle is instantly perceptible and emotionally engaging. A company with dazzling sizzle tells a compelling story. It promises disruption, status, and a leap into the future. It taps into FOMO, fear of missing out, and feels like movement and progress. In a crowded market, sizzle cuts through the noise, making it a powerful tool for customer acquisition and talent recruitment. People often mistake this magnetic attraction for inherent superiority. The unsustainability of sizzle alone. However, sizzle without substance is like fireworks, spectacular for a moment, then dark and empty. It is not sustainable because it fades, novelty wears off. Competitors can copy marketing tactics and hype. Once the initial story is told, customers ask, what does it actually do for me? It cracks under pressure. When scaling challenges, technical outages, or serious competition arise, a company built on sizzle has no foundational resilience. The gap between promise and reality becomes glaring. It erodes trust. If the product or service consistently fails to meet the lofty expectations set by the sizzle, customer loyalty vanishes, and the brand becomes synonymous with empty promises. The sustainable power of substance. The company with substance may start slower and seem less flashy, but it builds for the long term. Its sustainability comes from 1. Built-in resilience. A foundation of substance allows a company to adapt, scale, and endure market shifts. It has the muscle to solve real problems. 2. Compound trust. Consistently delivering value creates deep, loyal relationships. Customers stay not because they are excited by a story, but because they rely on a solution. 3. Sustainable moat. The infrastructure and systems built as substance often become competitive advantages that are very hard for others to replicate quickly. The tech company infrastructure, the ultimate substance. This contrast is starkest in how each type of company approaches its core technology. The substance-first tech company views its infrastructure as its central nervous system. It invests relentlessly in scalable, reliable architecture, e.g. robust cloud infrastructure, clean APIs, data integrity and security systems, efficient DevOps and engineering practices, a culture of quality, iteration, and long-term technical debt management. This infrastructure is not glamorous, but it enables everything: innovation, customer experience, and future growth. It is the stake. The sizzle first company often treats its infrastructure as an afterthought, a cost center to be minimized. It prioritizes front-end features and PR-worthy demos that support the narrative, while the back end is a patchwork struggling to keep up. This leads to chronic downtime, security vulnerabilities, and an inability to scale or iterate quickly, ultimately dooming the sizzle. The successful tech company, the symphony of both. The truly successful, enduring tech company is not devoid of sizzle. It masterfully uses sizzle to showcase its substance. It builds a formidable, scalable infrastructure, the substance, and then communicates its benefits in a compelling way, the sizzle. Apple is the classic example. Unparalleled design and marketing, sizzle, are backed by a deeply integrated hardware-software ecosystem, efficient supply chains, and a robust developer platform, substance. Amazon started with the substantive obsession over logistics infrastructure and operational efficiency, and then built Sizzle around customer obsession and endless selection. NVIDIA spent decades building the substantive architecture of its GPUs, which became the indispensable infrastructure for the AI revolution, a Sizzle story that writes itself. Conclusion. While Sizzle attracts the crowd, substance builds the legacy. In technology, where scale, reliability, and trust are paramount, the infrastructure is the product. A company that invests in that deep substance creates a platform for enduring innovation and customer loyalty. Its sizzle then becomes the authentic glow of a promise kept, not the fleeting sparkle of hype. The market's lasting winners understand that you must first build the stake. Only then does the sizzle truly matter. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh, for all that you and your technology teams are building, and we are honored that you have included us in your Victory with Ash platform and your new company that we are awaiting.